So this app is called My Study Life. So what we have here is the dashboard. So we see that there is one task due tomorrow. So I actually have a goal setting meeting with my vice principal tomorrow. So I put that in there. And we also see one of the classes that I entered, Honors English 9. So we can go through to the calendar. So I did put the one class in the calendar for right now. First period has the room number 142. Here we see the one task, and so it's giving me a reminder that this task takes place tomorrow. So I did not enter any exams, but this is where we could enter assessments. We have the schedule where we add classes, and it allows you to add holidays. And overall, I would say that this app was interesting. I think it would be beneficial to students, especially with 504s or IEPs who may lack certain organizational skills. The only negative I'd say is that it doesn't really sync with Google Classroom, so that would be a huge plus if it did, since my school uses Google Classroom a lot. But other than that, I would say My Study Life is definitely a worthwhile